Europe stands powerful, proud, and dangerously divided. Empires rule the continent. Alliances lock nations together like dominoes waiting to fall. In the city of Sarajevo, a single gunshot changes history. The assassination of Archduke Franz Ferdinand triggers a chain reaction no one can stop. Within weeks, the world is at war. What leaders promised would be over by Christmas would instead become one of the deadliest conflicts in human history. The war didn't move, it dug in. Across France and Belgium, soldiers carved massive trench systems in the earth. Between enemy lines lay no man's land, a wasteland of mud, wire, and death. Machine guns, poison gas, artillery that shook the ground like earthquakes. It was industrialized destruction. Young men who marched off in the shining uniforms now lived in mud with rats, disease, and constant shell fire. Over 16 million would die before the war ended. In September 1914, German forces surged toward Paris. France stood on the brink of collapse, but in the desperate move during the First Battle of the Marne, Paris sent hundreds of taxis to rush soldiers to the front lines. Ordinary drivers, ordinary vehicles, an extraordinary moment. The German advance was halted, the war would not have been so quick. High above the trenches, a different kind of war unfolded. Pilots reloaded in fragile wooden planes. Dogfights fought with pistols and machine guns in the open sky. One name became legend: Manfred von Richthofen, the Red Baron. 80 confirmed victories, he became the most feared ace of the war. In a conflict defined by mud and misery, these aerial battles felt almost medieval, knights in flying machines. In 1915, a German submarine torpedoed the passenger ship RMS Lusitania. Nearly 1,200 civilians died. The world was outraged. Though the United States remained neutral for 2 more years, public opinion shifted. The war was no longer distant, it was personal. US enters the war. In 1917, after repeated submarine attacks and the shocking Zimmermann telegram, the United States declared war on Germany. President Woodrow Wilson promised to make the world safe for democracy. Fresh American troops arrived in Europe, tipping the balance. The stalemate began to break. On November 11, 1918, the guns fell silent. In 1919, the Treaty of Versailles punished Germany with crushing reparations and territorial losses. Many historians believe the treaty planted the seed for an even deadlier conflict, World War II. World War I destroyed empires, redrew maps, changed warfare forever. It introduced tanks, chemical weapons, and total war. But more than anything, it reshaped the human story. The war to end all wars was only the beginning.